In this video, we are going to see about Information and Communication Technology, Paper 2, Data Manipulation or Database from Specimen Paper 2016. So, task 3 database reports. You are now going to propose some reports for the company. Make sure all currency values are in euros to 2 decimal places. So whenever they are asking currency value, we want to give the euros with the 2 decimal places. Question number 23. Use in a suitable database package, import the file s16 cars.csv. So go to the folder, right click your mouse, go to the new Microsoft Access database and give your name, center number and candidate number. So now we want to import the file s16 cars.csv. So go to the external data, new data source, from file, text file, browse, go to the folder is actually in desktop. So cars, select the s16 cars and open, click OK and go to check whether it is delimited, go to advanced and change the date order into the DMY, click OK and click next. First row contain field name, you want to take this box, click and check whether it is in comma and next. Now using these field names and data types, so we want to set the data types for this field names. So wind, model, power, engine size will be text. So go to the advanced wind, model, power, engine size should be text. Cost price should be currency. Cost price should be currency. Color should be text. Distributor, color, text, distributor should be text. Dispatch should be boolean or logical. Boolean or logical means the field names which have two possible values like yes or no, like on or off, or like 1 or 0. So the field name will have the two possible values. That is the boolean logical data type. So we want to set as yes or no. In Microsoft Access database, they will give us the yes or no and click OK. Next, and primary key, we want to set the win field as the primary key. So choose my own primary key, win, and next. Finish. Close and select the S16 cars. So this is the data sheet view. Now we want to change the format of the field. So go to the home, view, design view. So cost price currency, in the beginning they gave all currency value should be in euros with 2 decimal places. Cost price, select the cost price. Format, select the format. In this it should be euro, decimal places should be 2 and save. Right click and save. Sorry. Now next, dispatch boolean logical display in the report as yes or no. Okay, so select the dispatch and format should be yes or no. Yes or no. Save. And now go to the datasheet view. See the dispatch, it is in the checkbox. So we want as it should be display, it want to be display as yes or no. So for that, go to the view, design view, dispatch. In the lookup, change into the text box and save. Now check the datasheet view. Yes, now it is as a yes or no. So we finished question number 23. Now question number 24, import the file x16 distributor.csv. So I'm going to save one more time and close. Go to the extended data, new data source, from file, text file, browse, distributors, open, click OK, go to the advanced, DMY and check delimited, click next, check comma and take the first row contain field names, next. In this they did not ask about the data type, so we should not change any data types. Click next, and primary key they given distributor code, so choose my own code. Primary key will be the distributor code. Click next and finish. Close and distributors. So go to the home, view, design view. Now they are asking to take the screenshot, so you want to take the screenshot of this and paste on the evidence document. Now save and close. Now we finish question number 24. Next, question number 25, create the one-to-many relationship as a link between distributor code field in the distributor table and distributor field in the card table. So distributor code in distributor table, distributor field in the card table. So we are going for the relationship. So database tools, relationship, select the two tables and close this. And yeah, they are asking distributor code in the distributor and the cars we want to select the distributor. Just drag and drop. So create, double click and take the screenshot of this and paste on the evidence document. Save and close. So we finish question number 25. Now insert these three records into the S16 cars table. So go to the cars table. So go for the new record, new blank record. In the down you will get the yellow color field, yellow color. So click that, your new blank record will be available and select the win and paste on the thing and select the model and it will be D and it will be 1200 and it will be 11,000 and it will be blue. So I'm going to select this blue and I'm going to copy it. Next, FMDSA. FMDSA is there, so I'm going to select this, but in your exam you want to type. Already no is default, so no need to change. If they are asking yes, you want to change. So next record, copy, paste, micro SC for the model. So you want to type micro SC, power H 900, 12,000, red. So now I am copying, but in the examination you want to type FMDSA and no, yes. So third record, win, we want to enter into the win, micro, and power should be G, power should be G 600, 600. Next 8500 euro. Red, color should be red, and distributor will be MD FMD SA, and dispatch should be no. Now save this and close. So we finish question number 26. Now question number 27, we are going to for the report. For the report, first we want to create the query. So in the query you want to show only these fields. Okay, for the query, go to the create query wizard, simple query wizard, and we want to select. First select win, model power engine size, model power engine size, cost to price color, cost to price color. Next they are given port distributor. Port is not in this, so go to the distributor and select the port, and distributor will be in the S16 cars, distributor. And delivery price, we want to create a new field, so it will not be available in the table. So once you done, click next, next, and give the name as query 1, because maybe in the question we want to create the 2 query. To define this, we are giving query 1, and modify the query design, finish. So these are the things. So we create the query. Now we want to show only the records where the country is France. Okay, so country is not available, so we want to create. So select this, from in this country is available in the distributor table, so double click. So country will come, and criteria they are asking to show only the records where the country is France. Okay, so we want to type France, and they did not ask you to show. Okay, so they did not ask you to show the country, so you want to apply one, you want to select only for the criteria, so you want to untick this show box. Now run. So the criteria will be applied, but the country will not be shown. Next, the cars have not been dispatched. The cars have not been dispatched. So again go to the view, dispatch. So criteria not, no, and run. Dispatch, but the dispatch is showing, so they did not ask you to show the field, so untick this. Okay, so only 43 records will be there. So we create the query. Next we want to create new field called delivered price, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the cost price of the car plus to standard delivery charge of 200 euros. Okay, so now we want to create the new query field. So go to the design view. Next we want to type the new field delivery price. Next cost price. So see the cost price same like you want to type, same like you want to type. Okay, so capital C O S T underscore PRICE plus standard, I make the mistake, PRICE plus standard delivery charges 200, and run. See, 8500 plus 200, 8700. Okay, yes, so we did the query. So the query part is finished. The query part is finished. Next we are going for the report. So save and close. So go to the create, go to the report wizard and select go to the select the query and select all the fields. Click next. Next. So ascending order of win. Don't give the ascending order while we are importing the query. Okay. Once you import the query in the report design, we can give the ascending order or descending order. So now leave it blank. Next, tabular. They did not mention anything, so we can give the tabular and the page orientations of landscape. Okay, page orientations of landscape. Next, and the name they are given dispatch manifesto port. So you want to give this. So I'm going to give this and close. Okay. Then I go in for the modify the report design, finish. So this is the report design. So we did this. Okay, now go to the view and go to the layout view. Why I ask not to give the ascending order, descending order? Now see, the report should be in the report the field should be is in this order: wind, model, power, engine size, cost price. See, wind, model, power, engine size, cost price. Okay, there is no here and there. If you give the ascending order, it will be here and there. So again you want to adjust this, you want to adjust this design, so it will take time. To avoid this, we can use this method. Okay, so now we are going for the sort the data into the ascending order of win. Okay, so select the ascending order, go to the report layer design, go to the group and sort. In this I am going for the sort. In this I am going to select the field win and with A on top. Okay, A on top. Okay, A on top means ascending, descending means Z on top. Okay, so we did this. Now again I am going to the layout view. Now I am going to adjust the size. See, the micro is should be power. See the power, it will be wrong. Engine size I can move, just small design only, correction only. I'll move the cross price and color. See the color is big, so I'm going to make it unport. Yes, just move this. Distributor, just move this. Delivery price, just move this. Yes, so we did this. Now calculate the total number of cars in this selection and place it at the bottom of the report. So we want to calculate the total number of cars. Okay, so I'm going for model, or I will select the delivery price. In the delivery price they did not mention the particular, they mentioned total number of cars. Okay, so I'm going to select this. In the report layout design you can select any one, don't select the win, but select the after from model you want to we can select anything and go to the report layout design totals, and I'm going to count the records. Okay, so answer will be come here, so if you want you can make it. Okay, now I am going to make this. Now go to the view, design view. Now in the count, see the count is there. Okay, now I am going to the report layout design. I am going to in the controls I am going to select the labels, and I am going to drag here, and they ask you to give the label name total costs of France. Okay, so I am going to give here. Now go to the view, layout view. Yes, total cost of France is there. So if I want, I can paste like this. If you want, you can give as bold. Okay, so we give we count the records, and we give the label, and we give the heading also. Okay, now your name, center number, candidate are on the left in the footer. Okay, so go to the view, design view. In the left footer you want to give, they did not mention on the each page. If they mention on the every page, means you want to give on the page footer. So again labels, in the report design, again labels, just on the left side I am going to give my name, center number, and candidate number. Yes, now go to the view, finish, save and print your report. Okay, now I am going to save and print preview. Yes, we did. So how many pages they are asking? They are asking fit on a single page wide. Two pages will come, so we can take this. Yes. So we finish the report and close. Next, database labels. You are going to prepare the label for the company. For the labels also, we want to create the query, and we want to show only this field. Okay, so again go to the create query wizard, simple query wizard, and now we are going to select win model port distributor. Win model port is not there, it will be in the distributor. Select the port and select the distributor, and next. Okay, now I am going to give query 2 and modify the query design. Finish. Yes. Okay, so the win begins. Now we want to apply the criteria. The win begins with 37. Okay, so actually there are 840 records are there. Okay, see, 840 records are there. So go to the design view, win begins. If begins means you want to give 37 star. If they are asking include, means star 37 star. Okay, so they are asking begins, so you want to give 37 star. Okay, 37 star and run. See, now 420 records only there. 840 apart from 840 there is only 420 records. So next criteria, they are given country field. Country field is not mentioned, so you want to create. So country is in the distributor, double click, don't show, but criteria you want to give Spain. Run. So that is now 82 records. Next they are given power field is E. Okay, so go to the view again, design view, power field is not there. Again you want to select power field, power. Okay, just give capital E and run. Okay, so we apply the criteria. Okay, and they mention only include cars which have not yet been dispatched. Okay, so again we want to go for dispatch. Go to the view, design view, dispatch, no. Okay, only this they are asking, but they did not ask you to show. They did not ask you to show, so be careful on this. Go to the view, design view, and tick this. And power also they did not ask, and tick this and run. So they are asking only this. Okay, so now produce label from all the data which are arranged in two columns. So the label should be in two columns. So same like go to the create labels, you want to save, and labels in this they are asking two columns. So we can give number of across means two columns, we can give this. Next, they did not ask you to change any text and font. Next, now you want to select win, press enter, model, press enter, port, press enter, distributor, press enter, and check whether they are asking to give. Yes, include a name at the bottom of each label. They are asking to include your name at bottom. So press enter and bring down and give your name. Yes, enter number and candidate number. Okay, and click next and finish. Okay, now close the print preview and see they are given. Okay, so one more thing they asking, display the field name as well as the data. Yes, we gave this, display the field names. So we want to give the field name. So give the field name win. No, they did not ask, just leave this. Display the field name as well as data means we display the field names. Okay, so no need. Okay, now in a large font at the top of each label include the heading warning check charge voltage before delivery. Okay, on the beginning of the label you want to give this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the property sheet, I'm going to close this, I'm going to select all the things, this I'm going to drag and I'm going to make this bigger. Now label I'm going to paste as a larger font. They're asking to give the larger font, so home, I'm going to give bold and I'm going to give 22. If you want you can make it as a 18. Again you can make it as down. You want to adjust this label. otherwise change to 14. Okay, yes, we did this. Now go to the view, print preview. Okay, so our label is ready. 1 2 3 4 rows and 2 columns. Yes, we did. So same 1 2 3 4, same like we did the labels. Now take the print. So print, and you can select the print and you can give it. Yes, so now this is about the paper 2 database from Specimen paper 2016. Thank you.